bahay Amerika, oh. Ang sahod, di na masyadong nag-i-stay sa bangko. Dumadaan na lang, hindi na nga dumadaan, dire-diretso na sa mga lahat. Okay, so kukuha ako ng butter. Kailangan ko ng butter unsalted. Salted yan, ayoko niyan. Kailangan unsalted. O, akalain mo yan, $4, $5. Unsalted. O, ayan na tayo. Pag kailangan ko lang naman. Hindi naman ako masyado nagluluto. Kami na lang mag-asawa ang kumakain. Soda.
Cinnamon rolls would be nice.
For your breakfast? One?
It'd be just nice to have one morning when we're up.
Yeah. Two? I'll get two. Gusto namin to eh. Cinnamon rolls. Ganyan siya, $3.
Medium high.
Jumbo cinnamon rolls. So, pure taquitos. Puno na naman. Dalawa lang kami niyan, ha? Eh kasi pag pumapasok ka, magbabaon ka. Kung bibili ka naman doon ng lunch, kung wala kang 20, wala din. Kung magluto ka na lang, at least ikaw pang nagluto. Ganun lang ganun, kasimple ang buhay. Daddy, hey, look. Pork and vegetable dumpling. You can take this for lunch. What do you think? Egg roll. Look. I can just fry that before, the night before. This is the one that you like. Let's get this one in the bottom. Taipei pork pot stickers. Masarap to. What do you think? Put in the side so they can go through. Be considerate ba? Kapag sa shopping kayo, wag ibalandra sa gitna yung cart. Daming tao, buti sana ko sulong ng isang tao nagsa-shopping dito, tambak-tambak. Okay, we're getting it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at that. It's spicy, it's spicy. How do you know? Is it spicy?
So spicy. Spicy dan dan.
Oh. Dear Papa, sweet and savory noodles. There. Mila.
No, I don't like those noodles.
Oh, okay.
No,
Damn it. You don't want to eat it?
no, I don't like. I like the little noodles, like pancit.
Oh, that looks good.
That looks good. Wanna try that?
Yeah, can you get that? Get
I
it.
want.
I like that one. The noodle is different. How about the egg roll? You want to try one? Wala na. Wala nang luto-luto. What do you want? I like vegetables. Okay, get gulay. I want vegetables. Okay, you go get with the meat. Go get with the meat.
What about bitter deli?
What is that mean in there? What is in it?
Flanky Asian style wrap. Filled. Oh no, got mushrooms.
There's mushroom in it. You're not gonna like that.
No.
No, there's mushroom. Oh, this one doesn't have a mushroom. Pork, vegetable. Yeah, no mushroom.